Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Honda CR-V 2.2 diesel ES 0909 with 74,000 miles on it. It's a category N car, which is a non-structural. It's had a bumper. So there you go. Insurance gone mad. Take you down the line of the car. It's had new discs and pads all the way around. As you can see, brand new. Parking sensors on the rear. As I said, 0909. Taking in the disc, as I said, new all the way around. Need some clips for that, as you can see. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car. So I will see you in a minute. Hi, it's Phil again. So I'm back now. What I'm going to do is show you inside the car. So what we'll do is start with the engine bay first. Now, just been serviced and just been MOT'd. Okay, this is a HD video, so you can stop and start it and have a real good look around inside the engine bay and so on. So as I've said, 74,000 miles. It's 2 owners plus myself. I have to put my name in the logbook to get the logbook. As you can see, 0909 ES spec. Now this has just had new brakes all the way around and discs. Okay, so what we'll do is take you in the inside now. So as you can see, it's got the electric windows back and front, central locking. Taking inside the car, it's got electric folding mirrors, multifunction steering wheel. It's got your CD, air conditioning, 6-speed box. Now the car originally was supplied by Inchgate. Now I'm trying to get the service history from Inchgate because I think it was a lease car first and it will have been supplied with a service package, but at the moment I haven't got anything. All we can say is I've serviced it. The miles are verified by the MOT report sheet, which I have to say is good as well. Everything is there as it should be. So 2 owners plus myself. Just got 12 months MOT. 74,000 miles. And in lovely condition. All the bolsters and what have you. Taking in the seats here. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.